spec. Actually, one small setting, it is only one small tick I forget to mention over there. So I am just showing that. Okay. So it's not the one.
The auto HU is also the packaging requirements only.
Yes.
Autopic HU.
See, you are, this HU is nothing but the packaging. Okay. So, but packaging specification is, okay, you are putting it into HU, but it is one specification, how a particular material is getting packed. Okay.
Okay.
But see, laptop, okay, if you are keeping the bubble wrap, and after that, nowadays, SP laptops and all, if you are getting, you will going to get one, what is that? Apples will come, no, like that, you're going to get one small box inside, that will be kept under the carton, okay? So, like that, they are doing the packaging for the laptops, okay? So these are all related to some packaging materials. So once you will going to get the carton boxes and all, they will be definitely HUs only. Okay.
Yes, those are coming with like Amazon package and all that.
These are handling units only. Okay. Don't get confused, because earlier we are doing the handling units manually. Now it is happening automatically like that. I am defining. That's it. But every material will be having a different packaging specifications, like that you can consider. Okay.
Okay, so what I had doubt is we had a look on HU management and then packing specification and autopic HU.
Okay.
So all these three is being considered as handling units only. And based on different materials, different packing specifications will be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Correct. Okay, so we were doing the testing. No, one thing I have made the mistake is, I'll go and show you SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Under that, go to the goods receipt process. Here, go to the inbound delivery. And here, document types for the inbound delivery, define document types. If you go to the INB PDI, okay, this is the standard document type for us, okay, while doing the inbound delivery. Just open this. Here, one thing is there, that is no automatic packing. Okay, this tick was ticked. Okay, if you have ticked this one now, then automatic packing will not going to take place here. And packaging material process. Okay, what in the header we have defined this. You might have remembered 0 IVD. I'll show you this. For automatic packing, we have given that. Okay, I can go through the, okay, if you want, /SCWM /pack spec is the transaction. Okay, so here we have created our packaging specification, right? I want to know which one is our packaging. So go through the material. Okay, 1100 mat 1. Okay, if I'm just clicking like this, just execute, you're going to get whatever the packaging materials which are made for this particular material. Okay, and if you go inside, see, you can see the 0 IVD at the condition type, correct? No? So this 0 IVD, we have maintained it here. This is my packaging material. What is that condition? Okay, so this one, this is the what I can say here. I have maintained means this will going to take it as a what is that? This is the only condition like that we are mentioning. Okay, so for packaging, this is the condition we are default condition we are maintaining like that. I am showing you. Okay, so like this, I have defined for the material product 1. Okay, and level I have included first initially. The element is auxiliary material. Okay, then in the level 2, I have means these auxiliary materials I am packing it in the carton box like 1:10. Like I am putting some 10 materials also I can able to put it. Okay, so like this I have maintained. So and I have activated this. Once you are going to get make it active now, then only this green color will come here. Okay, this tick mark, or else no. So we're going to do our test case. Okay, so this was the only thing where we had the tick mark, but now we have removed it. Okay, nothing else. So what I'll do, I will just create one inbound delivery. Okay, PL31N. We have our purchase order. Any purchase order, you just take it. Okay. So I will just remove these two things. Just take 2 or 3 materials, whatever the number you want. Just save it. I am not packing them. Okay. So without packing them also, I am just moving it. I just want to see how the automatic packaging it will be considering. Okay. This is 3010. Okay. So just go to the PRDI screen. And we want 3010, right? And execute this. Why it is not coming? Okay, I need to check. Okay, 1100 WHS. Okay. Still it is not coming. Copy.
No, warehouse number still it is WSGS. Yeah, now it will come.
Why?
No, maybe the PO which you have created, it is with our inbound delivery. I mean, our warehouse number only. Just can you
Yes,
check?
yes, it is. It is for our warehouse only. If we are just, I'll go to the display. Okay, you can see 1100. Okay, I'll just check it in the SMQP. It is available here. Okay, something had stuck. Okay, command TRFCQFC. Oh shit. Okay, LUV again. LUW. Actually, one more thing. Okay, whatever the server we have taken now, he has made certain changes. Okay, so he has made certain changes. He is giving us, this is the 2020 version. He is giving us 2022 version. Whoever taken this server now, so you have to create one more setup in the 2022 version. We will going to provide you the credentials soon. So this might be causing some issue over here. We have to check it. Okay. This is completely related to the what is that? ABAP, sorry, basis team, the ABAP team. Okay, I don't know. LUW. We'll check it. Sometimes we're going to go into the debugging mode, and we used to do this actually. Select the entire entry and restart from the same beginning. See, the same thing I have done. If every time message is getting stuck after the moving the entire QR, then just move the structure. Simply check. सुनीश भाई कुछ पता है क्या आपको इसके बारे में? LUW का LUW तो व्यापारी से रिजॉल्व करते हैं ना इसको. ये वाला यार. बेसिस का है क्या? उसको ही पूछना पड़ेगा फिर मेरे को. PUC LUW बोले तो क्या आता है? ये पता है, पहले भी ऐसा एरर आया था, बेसिस टीम ने हमको क्लियर करके दिया था इसको। अरे इधर इधर जाके क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं, मेरे को कुछ पता भी नहीं है इधर। ही इज डीकमीशनिंग दिस, ओके 2020 पूरा डीकमीशन करता हूँ करके बोल रहे हैं, कनेक्शन क्लोज। ये तो होता नहीं है फिर। आई विल जस्ट पिंग हिम वंस, ओके। We come back. Or else, okay, we'll just keep it as it is. Okay, once you're going to resolve this error, then only I can able to do. Because yesterday or day before yesterday, we have created some other, okay, opening 008, execute. See, I am not getting any documents here. Or else I'll just execute. I may get some. We have created 3004, I think. Okay, this one we have created. So I'll just take this, copy, go to the inbound delivery, go back, put it, click enter. Okay, this one we have created. If you check the packaging material, I have not packed anything over here. Okay, the packaging is not yet done. Packaging material, pack material. If you go, the packaging material is not there. Okay, only the material is available here. Okay, but once I'll go and process this. Okay, so or else you just double click on this and check for the HU. Check for the HU. You're gonna find the HU. Okay, the HU is created automatically here. Okay, so how it is created based on the packaging specification only. So here I have not kept any packaging data for this. Okay, and if you check the document flow also, okay, if you check the document flow also, this is open. I have not yet completed. Okay, this is one example. It is available. I am showing it. Okay, so it is not completed. Okay, and if you check the HU also, there is no HU, which is the packaging material which is given to this. Okay, we have just created the inbound delivery for this material, but once I will going to see here, when I'll come to this part HU, I can able to see one HU at this particular end. How it is possible? This is based upon the packaging, okay, automatic packaging only, or else once we have defined the pack spec, based upon that it is coming up over here. Okay, so when I'll going to through this pack spec, no, once I'll going to proceed further. Okay, once I'll going to, hello, audible, no? Hello,
Actually,
yeah, audible, no?
can hear you now.
Yeah, okay, sorry, it was a network issue. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, I was just showing that. So for that also, we didn't created any kind of a packaging. Okay, I'll just show you how it will be creating one packaging material. Yes, yes.
और एक जगह ज्वाइन होना पड़ता है एचपी को.
Hello, audible, no?
See, you are in mute. Thank you.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, now is it audible?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, I was telling like that only. Okay, so now the screen is shared or not? Screen is shared. No, not shared. Okay. Okay, so now the screen is shared or not? Screen is shared. No, not shared. Okay. Screen is shared. No, not shared. Okay. So now the screen is shared or not? Screen is shared. No, not shared. Okay. 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 Yeah, audible, no? Hello.
No, it is audible, but we can't see your screen.
Yeah, now is it okay?
Yeah. Now it is appearing.
Yeah. So what I was showing is I have created already. Okay. So last time I have created one inbound delivery. For that, we're going to test it now. Okay, we'll just test and we're going to proceed. Okay. Or else it will just consume our time. And tomorrow also we can just see that. Okay. Once the issue is resolved, we can able to see that. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just take that PIDI. Okay. And I have shown you. Okay. I have not yet the inbound delivery, which is at the ERP, it is also open only. Okay, inbound delivery at the ERP is also open only. So we're going to do a GR. Okay, then what it will going to happen? We're going to check it. Okay, what happens for this one? Okay, I'll go to the PIDI screen. PIDI itself is not opening out. Okay, before I'm taking. So this one GR is not yet done. Okay, and I'm going to open the real 31 as well. Okay, real 31N as well. Sorry, 33N. I need to open real 33N. Okay, my delivery is this one. So it is not yet completed. Okay, so once I'm going to open the what is it, document flow, it is saying open only. What I will do, I'll create a GR for this. First, I'm going to create the GR. And once you are checking here, HU is available now. Okay, it is created automatically. Okay, I'll say goods receipt for this. Okay, here we'll go in, you can see the goods receipt is completed here. Okay, so once you say the goods receipt and again check the document flow here, you can see this document flow also means here also the whatever the inbound is there, it is completed. Okay, and you can check the packaging material details. Okay, go to the pack material here. Okay, so where we can see the pack material, somewhere else.
So even though we are not packing, that will be auto packed, and so that we can see that when we are performing goods receipt.
Yes,
This is what you are trying to say.
Correct, right? Correct. Automatically it will going to pack and it will going to move like that. It will going to happen. Okay. So here actually whatever the goods receipt we have done now, it is taking through the HU only. Once I am going to move towards the warehouse task now, it will not going to create the product HU. Okay, this is the product HU, but it will going to create the handling unit warehouse task. Okay, this is the product warehouse task. This is the handling unit warehouse task. Okay, I think the handling unit is also it is moved somewhere else. If you go back and if you want to check about this, you can go through this. Okay, so some we have already created the warehouse task for that, I think. Okay, so that is why it was not showing. So whatever the open warehouse task will be there now. Once you go here and click on the display warehouse task, you can able to see them. Sorry, I have to tick this. If anything is there, you can able to see them. There are no warehouse tasks for the selection. Then some errors are there. That is why it is not moving further. Okay, we have to check this actually. Here again, what is the error? If you are seeing in the SMQ2, it will show us SMQ2. Whatever we are doing, everything is getting stuck here. Nothing is there.
Some Q1 is for outbound, right?
Yes, outbound, but we just have to check over there as well. Why it is not? Okay, sorry. Now I have not selected for this. Okay, now it will come. Okay, if you say the warehouse task now, the product warehouse task will not going to generate here. Only we're going to get the HU warehouse task. Okay, we're going to get the HU warehouse task. When I'll say create, okay, So it will go to some storage type based upon the sequence. Okay, it has moved to ST0 and section 1. Okay, and some bin it is taken. Okay, then just like that we have to confirm it. Okay, first I'll say create plus save, then confirm it. Okay, so like this we're going to do. So it has created the HU automatically. Okay, that is what I want to show you. So, but when you are creating this HU and all, no, we should understand how. Okay, so for this we might have maintained some condition. Okay, so 0 IBD is one condition, right? So how where we have maintained all these things. Okay, so to check that, I'll just take you through the some what is that area here. Okay, where you can able to see the where these conditions and all they are maintained. Where is the condition table? Just like how we're going to maintain the pricing procedure, no? Access sequences and all you're going to provide. Just similar to that, we're going to get the what is that conditions for this as well. Okay, so I'll go to the path SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. Under this, go to the master data. Here, packaging specification. Okay. Under this, we have to go to the determination of the packaging specification. How the determination is going to happen here. Okay. Again, in this around 6 fields are there. Okay, 6 things are there like catalog. Okay, create field catalog. First thing, okay, that is what we're going to do. We're going to create the table, no? Just like that for the packaging specification also, we're going to create the what is that field catalog. Okay, so here there are the different field catalogs for the different data elements. Okay, see field name is this one and description you can see here. Okay, order type, order reason. Okay, sales. Okay, this is carrier. Okay, country, application, all these things are available for us. Okay, so many different things are available. Okay, for product this one. Okay, like that they have mentioned different things here. Okay, these are the that is showing the fields. Okay, if you are seeing certain header fields. Okay, sorry, item fields, header fields. Okay, so this item fields they are showing it over here. Okay, so and all fields means everything will going to come. Okay, this is where some field catalogs will be maintained for us, and condition tables also maintained. Okay, means in the condition table we know that what kind of like what are the different fields based upon which fields will going to maintain the condition. Okay, just a minute. I'll go to the field catalog. Sorry, not field catalog. Condition table only. Okay, go to the condition table. Okay, it will going to depict us what are the different tables. Okay, what are the different fields they have chosen for the condition. Okay, we have taken SAP BDL 01 is there and IBD 01 is there. For basically for the inbound, we're going to choose this one. Okay, once you select this, okay, see these are the different fields based upon which we have created the packaging specification. You remember supply chain unit, ship from and product we have given there. I'll just show you that also. Okay, once I'll go to the pack spec now. Here I'll just take the material. This is our material and execute and go to the display. Here in the header, okay, 0 IBD, see here, supply chain unit we have given, product we have given, and shipped from we have given. Means what? We have taken these different fields based on which we are creating the condition table. Okay. So whatever the packaging specification it is defining, it is depending upon these 3 things only. Okay. Supply chain unit.
But
yes.
But we have not created this condition table, right?
No, it was earlier only. It is there. Okay, this is the standard condition table.
Standard one.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so based upon that, we are just creating it here. Okay, every time you will going to get this standard condition table for sure. Okay. So these are the different fields on which you are creating. If you want some extra fields, you can able to add them. Okay. Here only you should add the fields.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. See, this is the standard fields which you are mentioning, 3 fields.
Yes.
But we have not created any, even if it is standard, if we are creating that condition records, right, only then this condition type and this condition
this will be, in EWM, it will be automatically available, okay? If you are not creating also these condition tables and all, everything is available, readily available for you, okay? It is the standard functionality of the EWM. Got it?
Okay, so condition table is, condition record is not at all required. By default, when we maintain the data, that is automatically it is getting stored in the condition tables.
Yes.
So that can be utilized whenever we are creating the HU specifications.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
We can create new also.
You can create new also if you want. Okay, so that is possible. So once yes.
If automatically it is going to generate, whether creation is mandatory.
Yes.
If
Sometimes
any additional fields are there, in that case we may have to create.
Correct. Sometimes you may require some customization. Let us consider. Okay.
Yeah, actually, maybe see, if we have new product and all that, then we need to design all that. The packaging will be different, right?
Correct. Packaging you can able to do. Okay, that is done in the packaging only. But if you want to have the different fields, okay, while maintaining the condition, okay, then you have to do this. Or else it is not at all necessary. See, packaging is different means you will going to do everything in the packaging spec only. Okay, you will going to do everything in the packaging spec, and you can able to do n number of levels as well n number of products you can able to put over here. But if you require some fields or some other fields need to be mentioned in the condition means we have to take it over here. Okay. Yeah. So next thing is the access sequence, just similar to that. Okay, so access sequence we're going to provide in the pricing procedure, just like that. Here for the 0 IBD also, we'll be having our access sequence. Okay, just select this access sequence and you just observe this. Application is PAK. Okay, that is PAK. Let us consider like that. And usage is packaging specification. PS is the usage. Application is PAK. If you go to the accesses, you will going to see these three things. Okay, there also while creating the condition table, we came across these three things. Okay, so you just select one, and if you go to the fields, you can see those three fields. Okay, these are the three fields which are available based upon which we have created this condition. Okay? So just go back, and next thing is yes. Pardon?
No. This is a functional job here.
This is a access sequence where we are maintaining the what is that table. Okay, so for the table we're going to provide this for in the this table we're going to assign it to the access sequence. This access sequence will be assigned to the condition records. Okay, so that
sorry to interrupt. Can you click on this inbound delivery and can you go to access and fields?
Yes.
So we had three, right? Whether all these three is having the same sequence or there are any different sequences?
See, well, this is having only two here. Okay, so it is some different table they have created. Okay, and if you go for the third, okay, it is having some different fields. Okay.
Material ID.
Yes.
Okay, so they are accessing in a sequence.
If
it is matching per sequence,
no,
ID,
not like that. See, once I want to create with this condition, okay, it will going to ask me which what is that access you want to take like that. Okay, I am taking the access as this one and I am proceeding there. Okay, just try it out while creating. It will definitely ask you. Once you're going to choose 0 IBD, it will ask you in the header. Okay, what is your condition? What is that?
Okay. How we will be maintaining this access sequence? I mean, this condition record.
No, the access sequence, even as I'm saying, we have not maintained it. This is the standard one. Got it, no?
No, yeah, I totally got it, Sri. But my question is, see, there are three access sequence available.
Yes.
So when this condition record is getting created,
Mhm.
all these 3 access sequence by default it is going to pick.
Yeah, correct.
So we are not maintaining any condition record, but by default, based on the data and the setup which we have already set up,
Mhm.
based on that, this 3 sequence has been already picked up.
Correct.
If in case I want to do some changes or I want to add something in this condition table or
Mhm.
I want to create new one, for
Yes.
example, SAP IBD04,
Mhm.
how we can do that?
Yeah.
Is there any possibility over here?
Yes,
Because
it is
from your
possible.
perspective, I think here I
See, all these things will not going to do it here. Okay, so some business add-ons will come. I'll show you. Okay, you need to go to the business add-ins for the packaging specification. There also you're going to get the packaging specification determination. Okay, here you need to prepare all those things. Even I never tried it. Okay, even I don't know also. Okay, so here whatever the changes we're going to do in this only we're going to do the changes. Okay.
Yeah, but this is Paddy setup. Paddy setup is fine, but manually, if I
manually, if you want to, you can just do this over here only. It is possible, no? In the accesses here, addition is there. Edit you can just do, and you can take the different fields and all. You can move on. That is possible. Okay. And next thing is the condition types. Okay. Again, in the condition types, we're going to take this zero hybriding. Okay. And if you just open this condition type, you can see this is like proposed valid truth. Okay. So this is like the lifetime. They are just putting it like this. Okay. And some access date and all, they have default means maintained it here. Okay. And if you are checking the final two things like define determination procedure, we have our own determination procedure for this. Okay, so zero IBD administrative determination procedure. Okay, this is a zero IBD. Okay, like they are maintaining some level number and counter, then the condition. So we're going to maintain the pricing procedure about this. What is that? Determination of the pricing procedure will be there. No, there also will going to take the counter and all everything is going to do. So just like that, they have defined it here. Okay, and create.
We don't have the pricing issues, condition category issues, or the value issues in EWM.
Yes, yes, yeah, that will not be available here. You're right. Okay. And here the PAK is our application, okay, maintenance group. So once you're going to go into the PAK, you're going to see all these conditions, okay. So these are, I never worked on this, okay, basically. So these things will be really helpful, okay, for inbound delivery. They have in the PAK only, they have maintained so many different things, okay. This is the application and this is the resource. Within this, they are having so many different things, but we are just using this inbound delivery and processing, right? Okay, so just want to show you where they have maintained all these conditions and all. So once I'm going to maintain the zero IBD, you should remember zero IBD will going to take three different things within them. Okay, at SAP IBD01, IBD02, and IBD03. I am just choosing the inbound delivery 01 and we are processing. Okay, inbound delivery 01 is working with the three different fields. One is the SCU and a material, then the ship from party. Okay, based upon these three things, we are defining our entire packaging specification. Okay, so this is one thing. And next thing is about the POSC. Okay, next concept is POSC. We're going to discuss it from tomorrow. The POSC is nothing but process oriented storage control. It is a real like now we are entering into a complex what is that inbound processes. Complex in the sense what we are doing is okay here. Okay, I'll just take a new screen. Okay, this is the process oriented storage control. Okay, what do you mean by process oriented storage control? It is a multi-step movement. Okay, so we seen our there is that where I have drawn my warehouse is okay. Warehouse is not available here. Sheet one. Here also we don't have. Where we have drawn our warehouse actually. Okay, anyway. I'll just brief you about this. Okay. From tomorrow we're going to learn about this. Okay. So let us consider this is our warehouse. Yeah, it is there. Recording is there. Okay. Here we have our doors. Let us consider. One is the inbound and under is the outbound door. We have like this. And here we are going to get the goods receipt zone and the goods issue zone. Okay. We're going to get the goods receipt zone and the goods issue zone. Here is our storage type. Okay. Some ST01 and ST02 we are having it here. Okay. So now what we are doing, some material is coming means we are just taking, we are unloading it. So not unloading actually, it is a goods receipt we are doing. From this GR zone, we are directly moving it to the ST01. Okay, this is a simple inbound process what we were doing. But now we have to do the complex inbound process means we are dividing all this put away process now into smaller parts. What I will do? Here is the door. I'm going to consider this door as one storage type and I'm going to do the unloading. First thing I'm going to do the unloading. It means multi-step movement as I'm telling. Okay, multi-step movement means I am splitting the put away into smaller parts. Okay, first unloading means what unloading will going to do? From the door to the GR, we're going to do the unloading. Okay, means we for the unloading also we have the source and the destination. Source is the door, destination is the GR zone. From here, again, I am moving, some internal movements will come. Okay. I can say deconsolidation. Okay. Deconsolidation means here, whatever the material we got, okay, some big box we might have got. I want to move it to the deconsolidation work center. There, I want to segregate the different materials which are available in the HU. Then I want to move them to the different storage sets. Different storage sites. So that time also I can able to do the deconsolidation and here one deconsolidation work center is there. Okay. And after that I may do some VAS, okay, value addition services for the material. Okay, I'll be moving. This is again an internal movement. Okay. This is again an internal movement where the material is moving from the deconsolidation to VAS and it is getting getting some value addition over here. From here, I am moving to the some storage process. Okay, sorry, some storage bin. Storage bin. Okay, so this is how we are dividing our processes. Okay, and all these things. Okay, from the VAS to storage bin, it is happening automatically because of the strategy. Okay, whatever the strategy we were using. So how this multi-step movement will going to take place? Okay. What is the okay, so once we are taking this multi-step movement, what are the different things we need to configure and all, we're going to check it. Okay, so tomorrow onwards we're going to see the POC. By that time I want to just resolve this error. Okay, I'll connect with him in the afternoon and I'm going to do it. And Mohan, who has taken that server? Only Mohan, no, I think. In this batch, I think only Mohan has taken that. Okay. So Mohan, actually you need to create one more plant and all in your next system. Okay. We'll be providing you the credentials soon. Okay, you need to do that. It will be a practice. Okay, just do that. And 2022 is very good actually. You can eventually, yes.
These processes you told here in Excel sheet, including deconsolidation, gas, and storage. What is that class?
Storage bin. Okay, it is moving to some storage bin.
Storage bin. These are the steps forward.
Complex. Yes, complex inbound. Complex inbound process we're going to tell, or else POSC you can say. That is process oriented storage control.
Okay.
Okay, so one more thing will come, that is the layout oriented storage control. I'll show that also, okay, later on. Okay. Okay then. Okay, we'll stop the class today here itself, and tomorrow we're going to consider this. Okay, bye everyone.